Hey there my Zaniacs, welcome back to another Cooking with your gal Janie. Here today I'm going to just be doing some hard-boiled eggs. You know, restocking my fridge because I ran out of them. Okay, so first things first, let me adjust my camera for a second here. I need to get these eggs put into my cooker pot. Make sure you don't crack them. They're not cooked yet. Okay. Now, oh, I forgot my olive oil. But, okay, first things first, we're going to coat with some salt. Cook them in some salted water. Now this will give them a little bit of extra flavor without having to do anything to them. So let me get my olive oil, 1 second. Okay, I mean this isn't olive oil, of course I ran out of that apparently. But this is vegetable oil, it should suffice. We just need a little drizzle. Not a whole lot. Alright, now what we're going to do, we are going to cover up the eggs with cold water. Emphasis on the cold water. Do not use warm water. Do not use hot water. Just the cold tap water is fine. Alright, so at this point we have the eggs covered about 1 inch above the eggs with cold water. I have my salt in there, my oil in there. Now we're going to turn the heat on to medium. Nothing more. Nothing more, nothing less. We're going to let this pot sit here on medium until it comes to a boil, which then I will be back. So hold tight, folks. Okie doke, folks. I've got myself a little boil going here, and I think they've been going long enough. So I'm going to turn my heat off. I'll apparently get you guys all smoked up here too. Don't get so steamy. We're just making eggs. Now, I'm going to remove this from the heat, and I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to let that sit for 10 minutes, and then we're going to give these bad boys an ice bath. So, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, folks, I've got my pot of water drained out and my eggs sitting here, and I've got a nice ice bath ready for them, so we're going to put them in here to cool down. They're a bit warm. Ooh, cool off, cool off. Ooh, my fingers. That's one. Okay, now, I've never really timed myself on how long I leave those sitting in the ice bath. I just kind of let them chill out and cool down in there. I'll probably check them in about 10 minutes or so, and we'll see where we're at then. So, I will be back. Okie dokie. Now, these have been sitting in the ice water for about 10 minutes. They're nice and cooled down now. I can hold them nice and cold. So, I'm going to go ahead and dry these off and put them in a container. And they will be going into my fridge, and they'll go crumbled up onto salads. They'll go just by themselves into my mouth. You really can't go wrong with hard-boiled eggs. I mean, you can make deviled eggs with these things. So here's my eggs, nice and hard-boiled. And thanks for watching. Bon appetit. Bye, everyone.